Joint Action Committee against brutal killing of 2 students, Phizam Hemanjit Singh and Luwangbi Lintoingambi Hijam, by Kuki militants announced intense stir it will be launched against the inactions of the government to book the culprits involved in the brutal murder of the 2 innocent students. Convener of the JSC, Lai Kuram Kanta, maintained that the JSC is set to launch intense stir after the ultimatum given to the government to deliver bodies of the 2 innocent teenagers and to book the culprits within 48 hours fell on a deaf ear. Addressing media persons at the Manipur Press Club today, Kanta reiterated their demands to the government to find out the truth behind the merciless killing of the 2 students who went missing for about 3 months. He maintained that as the agreement reached with the Chief Minister delivered the bodies of the students to perform their last rites and to book and take actions those involved in the heinous crime is not translated into actions, the JSC will launch intense agitation.
Honorable Chief Minister na high-riba pagod kasi generally ba minhat pamusun matu tungan malang lang sa ako pa ko ida magi sapsaba responsibility direkta badagi ko nga sisi atong balibag miham da laiba matunda tungan ba wakal nungai ta balik ko sun na maram mo kanda ay ba ko tunan no ko kaya thor ko matanda kari humba tungan ba progress kaya la ko matanda ko ay ba miham amadi manipur da laiba social organization sing amasung ekogi maira pai bile kai club maira pai bising aru galone na sabra student union ki dai organization sing da kusam na ka dai kusi dai ba ko ba tonga na ko protest ka sang na bagi kusi ko sim sabal lo jare
ta ku magi kumanga gi ahing size dai ge hokna angang ani sigi yakna to ngai ta ba kogi bayan photo se koi koina thingnare mobile sidagi adule ko dekha hong da koi siamda koi gi asigi fiziki lai ba JSC na siamda wakat pura se koi siamda wakat pane ko no da mani pisili abana kai no ha da hari ba ba sa bi masa se hanadi makoi siramani ha ba gi adu mo wakhalo na di phau re ba adu mo hari ba jaga su ku ki jaga ni koi sakma ngamde iram to phamni ha ba su iste post na habira ba da gi sakma ngamda ma ne koi dum lai re ba adu mo koi na iste post na ngamda thabo to CBI da sinabiro hai kanda August ke 20 ane CBI da sinara matungda ai khoi na claim dawse 27 August ne ba September ne ba dian biro tha ma ma paya se kari ma da CBI da su kai bon da